To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
So far from love, but so close to hate. When I'm not with you, I can't concentrate. Yeah, I keep wondering in my mind where the hell I'm gonna find all the answers to these freaking questions. So baby, tell me, what's it gonna be? Is it you? Is it me? Promiscuity. I need to know. Do you want me? Let it show that you need me. Baby, tell me what's been going on. Say, I don't wanna live this way. I don't want it if it is the same. I don't want my friends to say it is the same. Cause in the end there is no one else to blame. Baby, I don't wanna feel this way. I don't wanna think that you just don't care. Baby, deep inside you feel the same way. It's just so crazy. I don't wanna live this way. Oh, I called you on the phone. You said you were not home. It's been so crazy. It's been days. I feel like giving in home alone. It feels so good with you, baby.
Come on in.
You got the glue.
Come on in.
Going on to
Yeah, may I come?
I don't wanna live this way.
Yeah, come for now. It's what happened.
You forget to say me, your mother?
Here we go again. We really gonna go back over this again?
I don't understand you.
You ain't buying understand me.
Come on in. Me, your mother, and you're supposed to respect me. Respect you.
So, this what idea coming for now? Is what?
Let me ask you one question. So we're gonna live for the rest of our life? You feel comfortable in your house? You not deal with your mother right and not talk to your mother. You feel comfortable with all of that?
Stop really like you don't know why me I go and so.
To be honest, right now, I don't know why you're going so. Because I'm gonna tell you something. You see my past is my past. If you want to visit me, continue to visit my past, that's a phone business. But guess what? Me make mistake. Everybody make mistake. Me know so you make mistake. Your father make mistake. Your auntie them make mistake. Your grandmother make mistake. And me alone make mistake.
Mistake? You know, say a purpose, something I do. Yeah, okay, man, picnic coming in your house. In a free house, me and you, where we live. In a this house, you can man picnic.
Listen, I work, me a work. And a chicken, me a jerk. Me a collect money for take care of picnic. You think I free me a do it for? Me and my friend, yeah, me make one mistake in my past. That for sure, say me and the man then are not dealing. You realize him pick me a baby? That means a man have a woman. Me and the man then are not dealings.
It better do this stuff, cause right now I get grief. I don't want to disrespect you as my mother. Cause me even know if you're my mother, I people in my road that tell me say you're my mother.
Whoa.
I swear. I don't want to disrespect. So just go back to where we start from. Is where you call me out here for? Where you call me? Just done with that now. Where you call me out here for?
Are you me care from hospital? I could never you me care from hospital. You come like then switch you. I mean you talk to sir? You know so you're ungrateful though. You know that? But it's alright. Your father they are Jamaica. You know?
So me ain't call me, what do you?
Anyway, they tell her auntie say you must link him down at hotel one day. Me I go on the road. Me I go do my ear.
Alright. Are you giving me number? Come on now, how you get my number?
You should be ashamed if you ask me that question there. And that me I tell her right now.
Shame?
Shame?
Me never give my number.
Me I tell her right now.
Shame? What have I done as a child to be shame? Yeah, make it look like say me I adult and you I pick me. Shame?
Up until now, me I ask God to wake me out of a dream with me, these past few days. I know me can wake up. But anyway, go link your father. Let's go come out of our life. Later.
Can't feel the daily. Here, Grandma!
Grandma, why you take so long to open the door?
Yeah, look at my bed. I'm tired, man.
Anyway, I'm glad to see you, my grandson.
Alright.
You alright?
Yeah, man.
You eat for morning? Alright.
Why you not here?
So come here. Before me go inside this off. Your mother in there?
No, she not.
Come here. You're my one grandson. I know you will tell me the truth. And when me hear say they go on out the road with your mother name. Her name stink out the road. Me shame like dog. Kimani, I hope you not come up like your mother. What is the problem between your mother and man name and mix up out the road? What happened? Tell me. Me not go call back your name to her.
What me I hear say? Well, Mr. LC, well, me don't know if me.
Take time.
Me don't know.
You know say she in there. Take time. Shh. What you say?
Basically, what me I hear? What me even see for myself? Me never see everything in it, but I couldn't tell. But me I hear say she go sleep with Bob and Bob Pitney.
Which Bob you dey talk? Dirty Bob when I like bed we live down the dirty street. That's how we pay get up people
no,
there.
It's another one there, man.
Which one?
One right side away.
The man when name Bob we gonna foreign? That good one there?
No man.
Which
no
one?
Man, no man. The one you never hear about the Bob who live side away.
Me know two Bob. One I want careless one. We no like work. And love have one heap of girl. Then the man they no use protection. You're big enough, me can talk to you like that. You understand me? But the next one you're gonna friend and hungry hope that one day if you can help her. Cause me can't believe say your mama's a workless. She's a disgrace in the family. So when you go up on the road, how you feel when you hear the man they talk them they say about your mother? Eh? You not talk to her about it? Although you're young and me know say she not go listen to you. You never mention it out of your mouth, Kimani, to your mother and tell her, say, every time you walk on the road, you can't walk in peace because her name they all over the place like them a keep dance and put up poster. Eh? So, hold on. So she they carry that man in the house? So, where you have to say my grandson? Where you say?
Well, me not tell her yet, me not tell her nothing. Just me couldn't bother with the talking. Just not me not tell her say people are time about her and everything. Me can't bother.
Hold on. You're afraid of your mother. You're a big boy now, you know. Yes, when me talk to you, looking at my face. Now they look around there so if she come out here so she cannot do anything in front of me. She have to do anything when she want to do when me gone. All you do is just call me phone because you have your granny phone number. She cannot do you anything at all. Tell me what you hear say she they do. Cause all of them they disgrace they. God Almighty, me can't believe say me have them the kind of picnic there. Come out and feel me home. Me need to talk to her. Go and go tell her say me come. And me go sit down in her living room until she come to me. She too out of that. One, tell her say your grandmother out here so I wait for her.
Grandma, boy, me I drop a steam, me remember. She said something about how she fix up her hair, some I remember. She fix up her hair and some come back. So she leave it there, you know, she even make up a bed, oh God. But she not there right now.
Where say she gone? She gone do her hair?
Yeah, she said something about she gonna go do her hair.
So she go party? She still go party? She have them dirty ways in her same way. Love the street. Love for bleach at night. No wonder why she must buck up Baba. That dirty foot man, that the man them me know who name so from me here then they call up my daughter name with the man them me know which Baba. I swear me know. Me uncle did want to know if me did that thing the right Baba. But from you tell me say that one they will live side down, me know say I know the one with Ghana foreign. Me can't believe say
Wait,
my daughter
wait,
so
wait, what
workless.
you mean by which one gone for it?
One,
So-
two bab me know.
Two
One of
bab.
them gone foreign and one workless one day out here. This uno neighbor. Maybe other one day she there with same way. As where you say come here, say Bob, me just assume. And when they judge what are the right one, me have in my brain. Him, Bob. So she dey hide and dey with Bob. Worthless. Me know she a big woman. And me can't tell her how to live her life. But I go and sit right here so. And wait until she come back, but she can do here. I don't care she gonna chuku or wo. Woy or chuku. I just saw me to sit down until she come because I need to sit down and talk to her about this. She's a shame and disgrace to the family. Eh? Can you imagine? So if she take 5 hours, I will be sitting here for 5 hours and leave 6 o'clock. After 6, me will left. 5 hours, 5 o'clock she come, me gone 6. Because I need to talk to her. She too worthless. You see all them picnic they know, God forgive me. Or that tell her what I should do, but I show me love you as my grandson. And but that talk when me should do. When I catch that damn belly.
So talk to me more about the Baba they are foreign. You say Baba got foreign. I don't know about that.
You know say, I want my church brother. Him name Bob. Me know him a long time. He's a good man, you know. Very good man. Ambitious. Full of ambition. And he educated real good. He have it up here so. So if I went that the man there, your mother went there with you wouldn't so bad although a married man. Me not tell her say she go there with married man, but you better win that one day. At least mother knows their help she they look. Me all here. How your mother the mind dirty Bob picnic. Can you imagine? Me not saying can't give me not say she can't give the child something, but take over like she take up the full responsibility of minding the man picnic when you have. So where the mother they feed that the picnic there?
That me I wonder.
So she no mean for herself no good. And she have you to take care of. The better she did give you the money and say go on, go do something important with it or put in our account for you. She take your mind man picnic and so she in love. Wait so till she come. Gotcha. Are you me a wait pan? Come in here so. I need to talk to you. Come sit down right here so. Right here so I want you. Come.
Grandma, now listen, because I can't buy with certain energy.
Alright. Come, sit down. Where you go so far from? You need to come sit down right here, so.
Yes, sir, mommy.
When me say, so okay, as long as you're here, I don't care if you want to come beside me. Because I know say through your tongue, big man know your face, and I have no right to talk to you, but a liar they tell. The devil is a liar. Oh, your name, me not even go around and come around no corner. Right to it, me they get to. How your name stinks up on the road? With this dirty man with name Bob. Why your name stinks up on the road? Marika, let me tell you something. You is my daughter, yes, me have to accept it. But sometime, me have to wonder if you are my real daughter will come out of my home. Me have to wonder if they swap you in a hospital and it's the wrong child me get. You're a disgrace to my family. Right now, your poopa supposed to turn in a grave. Because he vexed at the lifestyle where they live. Why you so shameless? You're a shameless young woman.
Oh, yeah, that.
Myself. I could never
be at that moment.
Me know, say no,
Because
you talk to myself.
why you coming at my house and feel like you want to come disrespect me?
Disrespect you.
Where you come from, yes, my name stink on the road.
Oh, so I know you are my daughter. I know your name Marika.
I know you are Bob there. Me and Bob no day.
I know you and Bob there
Me
together.
all babysit Bob daughter. That's what I do.
So why your name so powerful that everybody they take it up like a one prayer and have it all over the place till it catch my ears till me reach a your yard. You don't come disrespect me as your mother now. Why me come at your yard?
That's
really?
Come at my yard for?
I'm only make on big. Come and look like me hungry to you. From you born until now and you get some big and dep on your own. You ever see me call you and beg you $1?
Mommy, I'm not in a mood for this right now because me and my son are on good terms because of this whole situation.
Son and mother not on good terms. Look at you. I saw me grow you. Look where they say to me now as your mother. I saw you grow for your child. For you and your own pitney.
Why
But no
everybody?
good terms.
Why?
No, listen to me. Don't talk with me attack. Me no care. You could have even 1 million year old. No, look now. Your son is your son where you bring come on earth and you're going to tell me say you and your son not depend on good term. Like a dirty foot man then you they talk about. Hmm?
Which dirty foot man
They
then?
know most of man you they talk about say you and your man not depend on good terms.
Hello, no
it
tap,
could
give me
never
man.
be your son. Because your son is your son. And you're supposed to can know if you talk to your son and your son know if you talk to you. Respect goes where respect come from.
That you have to tell him that.
What you mean
And that's
if
what
you
you're supposed
tell
to tell a grandson.
I'm my grandchild and you are the mother. Where you from? Who pushed out my grandson?
Me push him
If
out.
I did get rid of you today, you could never have my grandson. And you want to tell me say you cannot talk to my grandson?
Me I talk to him and
Well,
I
me
be
love
as
my grandson dearly.
Mommy, come here and talk
And
too
you're
much
very
right
disrespectful because you're talking to me like me and your size. God forbid when time I did have you in my belly. You know what should I do with you? Eh? You wouldn't dare suffer the face to with me so.
Hello, same thing where you are wish for me and that your mother did a wish for you at one
You don't know
time
nothing
too.
about me, man. Because my mother is your grandmother. And you only see her 2 times in your life. You don't see her back again.
So you, let me ask you one question. Since you come over here,
and the phone you talk to.
listen. Since you come over here on top of your voice and with the attitude and all of this, let me ask you one question. You don't make mistake when you grow up.
I do make mistake, but I learn to correct myself.
Okay.
But this thing going on over and over. The only thing you know is you doing is talk to phone every day. And do all kind of foolishness. Then you left your son in the house and go do what you're not supposed to do. Then when your name spread on the whole road and me hear about you and come to talk to you now, at the vibes that you give me.
Listen,
So me never come contact you.
Listen. I work hard to take care of my son. And me have to do what me have to do for him alright. And that me I tell you now.
Your son, that is my grandson. When me
come.
used to work so hard and take care of, till you're gone for your own now, you come and rank with me. You.
I'm not rank with you.
I'm not bad at say.
I'm not rank with you and I like say me disrespect. Me disrespect you? Did I disrespect you?
No, listen.
Did I call you
it's
names?
not what you say, it's how you say it. And I am your mother. And me go still be your mother. If me even dead and gone or I'm still living, I am still your mother. It's only one mother you can have. You can't have 2 mothers.
Listen, me think you come over here if you come talk to your grandson.
Me come over here if you talk to my grandson about what? Is my grandson there with Bob? The blood of Jesus.
Me not there with Bob. I want to stop saying me there with Bob. Me and Bob not there.
By the way, where Jimbo there?
I don't know. Me don't know where Jimbo there. Not ask me for Jimbo. And me and my son alone live here, so you can't ask me for Jimbo.
You see the attitude we have. You see the no man and self we have. I want to talk to Jimbo.
Not you try to find talk to Jimbo. Go and find Jimbo. Jimbo is in Jamaica.
You see your attitude is stink. And now me realize and understand why you and Jimbo did have to in them the problem there. Now you prove it to me. Say because of dirty foot Bob. Bob we have Greenwich in him too. Bob where people always talk about him stink. You see, say you don't have no ambition, you only dress up and look nice and pretty. God forbid. I'm sorry to me your mama, God no. But me glad for my grandson. You're a worthless little girl.
Thanks.
Thanks. Yeah, thank me.
Thanks.
Thank yourself.
Thanks.
Thanks to yourself.
And you bring me
for
back earth,
make
so me have to
yourself
tell
come
her
be such
thanks.
a non-ambitious woman and they shame me. Every walk me have to put me hand on my head.
Because the mother dead, so you have to put your hand on your head.
My mother not dead. That's for sure you say you don't know nothing about your grandmother. She live overseas.
Mommy, come and take your time and go on.
Me
Because
go on.
me
need you to get in touch with Jimbo for me because I want to talk to him about my grandson.
Well, make your grandson get in touch to him. Why me if you get in touch to him?
See there? That is the reason why Jimbo and you always in problem. Because you don't listen, that's why you're not learning. Me know you're not deaf and you hear every word when I say what I'm about, but you go sorry one day. Anyway, by the hook or the crook, I will get in touch with Jimbo. You hear me I tell you? Because you, something wrong with you. If I know hobby, then hobby you.
God forbid the blood of Jesus back to sender. Wakam.
A science then science you. Because it look like you're not pray. When you did small, me used to teach you to pray. When you got kindergarten, me pray for you. You dey go up primary, me tell you to pray a morning time before you left. See you know? Till you are done high school. You breed it upon your own, and then my lifestyle, you love everything good. Shame me from your yard, you're going to need me. Mother always come in at the last. When everything happen, you don't remember mother. But remember, I am your mother.
Listen.
Me carry you for 9 months in this home. Yeah. You're the shame me home. I know me mind alone the shame me now, me face now when me walk on the road, you know, you shame me home when me carry you 9 months in. But make sure say you take care of my grandson and no carry my grandson back at you when me can see the nastiness them way they do around.
No, say bad no it will on me feel bad, but me not gonna feel bad over one situation. Take your time, go on.
Me know cause that's what make you cannot feel bad.
What
Your
not drop off from
shame
the
tree
stairs
dead.
when you go down.
It die. Your shame tree dead. And you not know shame. Guess how they shame? Me to me and your mother. Yes.
Take
but me
time
I go pray for you. Me I go pray for you.
Me I go on fasting for
and
me.
me need my grandson to come on my yard because me no want my grandson see your dirty lifestyle them all the day in life. He uncomfortable. See you get up. Look. You get up. Out of the bed from morning gone. And you don't even spread your bed. There is a worthless girl. I don't even want to alone for the neighbor then here. Watch it.
On my bed.
You go do.
On my bed. If I want pray, me pray. If I don't want pray, me not pray. Kimani have food in the kitchen can eat.
Left him and tell him how you gone do here. See, they come back with your style. God forbid who to tell what you do to get that money, but
no worry about what me do to get money if you do me here.
That is not
that's
right.
That's my money. It's my money, not your money. Mommy, take your time and go on.
Anything
take your time and go on. Go on, man.
And you know, right in a God's eyesight.
Tell your grandson so you're going.
God not like ugly. Remember? Oh.
Kimani? Ugly, look how me nice.
Later, my grandson.
Yes.
I will call you on your phone later. And if you get to your father, give him my number, make him call me. Alright.
Where some must meet if you collect something? When me know I'm not left for it. Me tell us I'm go get ready and then left out. Listen to me. Me the palm Maria come now. Alright. Me no know where Sunday no in a yard. When me come. Yeah.
What call me? Cha. My grandson, what happened now? Oh, you get to your father? Okay, alright. What him say? Okay, just text the number to my phone. So what go on? Your mother there home? Me know. You don't have to tell me my grandson, I know. But me can't wait for you get big and gone on your own. Yes. Me know she neglect you enough time. Now worry yourself. You know, you can come stay with me sometime, you know. Because sometime when me come down there, and I really come, I want come to see she personally, you know. I do me want to see me long to see you sometime. But this man, me did definitely have to come down there. As me tell you how they have our name on the road. I spread it, me shame. You know, say I'm one of that. Your mother no business. If people see your road and tease you by mocking you all because of she. But don't worry yourself. You wake up on your own one at a time. So thank you. Eh? Alright. Okay, no worry yourself. Maybe we talk about that later, but me glad say you get to talk to your father. Like how yes, text your father number to my phone. Maybe me try get in touch with him. Oh, you did give him my number too? Alright. Alright. Love you, my grandchild. Later. Yes. Me did forget some money from the partner lady. As soon as me get it, me promise you one little money. Like why not the holiday season you now. Yes. But when me give you no waste you out, you know, and no follow your friend them and smoke and drink. You can spend little and enjoy yourself and put the rest in your account. Yes. Alright, love you, me grandchild. Love you, man. Mwah, love you. Alright.
Hello. You say you want to leave me? When that no. Alright. Make sure you say it today, you know. And not bother with the foolishness, you know. Come them supposed to see you. Alright. So you say, if my mother there home? No, she not there home. How you want to see her? Alright then. Alright.
Hello?
Yeah. Well, Empress.
Hold on there. Stranger.
Wow, I'm there. How things?
Jimbo.
Yeah, man, I dream about this, man.
Lord have mercy. A long time me no see you, know.
I real talk, man. I real talk, you know?
Me just done talk to your son.
Yeah, him give me a number and say for shout you like you want to reach me. Because me see my son today, you know, but, you know, well, I'm see him from yesterday, but something come up and thing, you know? So me just say, all right, put it off till today.
Oh,
you know what I mean?
So which part you there now?
Me in town, you know.
Oh, you're there close by, man. You're there close by. That mean me can talk to you then, because me really want to see if you talk to you about something important, you know.
So, you don't want to talk over your phone?
No, me don't want to talk over your phone. Me wouldn't mind you can take few little minutes. Because I close to the town me live, see you can walk in distance and not even have to drive.
And I see house there with the little stone, down your board house or down your son.
I feel me house and me now move. I right here so me there turn until God ready for me.
Alright, if I saw the case. Alright, me a forward then.
Yes, nobody can me out, you know, me want to see you for a long time. Eh?
I want to ask you, say, Black is still alive or Black is dead?
Hold on there. You no call no. Dad Jesus, no call up people them name on the phone. You can come meet me right over me yard, baby. Eh?
Me see the dog, them me attack, and the people me attack.
What you say?
The dog one named Blackie and the one named Rex.
Oh, me think say I the man when live next door me the talk, you know, saying
no, not Blacko.
No,
he
name close to me dog name. So me I feel a wonder. I remember say me years now work so right, you know. So you have to go just come and we talk about it. The dog then alright man, then tell you round her back.
The dog then tell you?
Yes, then round her back.
Remember say you went say same thing last time in the hospital emergency room reach me.
No. Me feed them from this morning before me go out on the road.
Oh, you feed them, alright.
And tie them up before me leave. Because if they never tie me not even there, me not so too long come back, then I come around here so already. But come man.
Alright. Me a forward now man, come in close by too.
Okay, alright.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Irie.
Mm-hmm. Jimbo.
Watch you out, man. So now, see you come to Jamaica now. So what you plan? Where you gonna do?
Oh, you be so aggressive to me, so I want mama tell you about me, so. Eh?
I don't know what she tell me about you. I want me to say to myself.
What do you mean when you say for yourself? What me do so, me not there, so you have to see for yourself. Me don't understand.
That's the point. You're not there. You're never there from your little you. You're always.
Yeah, me dep on him go, come here try and make things. You understand me? I say, so you have to understand from my perspective now. That's me there, so I have to talk to you. No long more shout you, get a number and all them something there, your mama going like you know want me call you and talk to you. Eh?
Yeah, make you look and say I tried to effort. Not even a little dollar here. Say.
Oh, you mean something not $1? You don't know this? Me send for your mama 200,000 every 3 months. You ain't know that?
Me never know.
Me send that and give her, and when she get that and collect that, what do you think she do with it? She'll take care of herself. You have to know them things, that rude boy. You can't just attack it. Yo, you know, sir, my place, you know? The fridge, the stove, the light, all the things they must stay, and I will think make it stay. And me and my money. So don't make you come around like me at the round. That me I tell you. But long and short of that. You know the whole Bob situation?
Yeah, I hear about it.
What you hear about it?
Well, nobody not tell me, but I can see for myself, say, about how she breed Bob. Breed for Bob or whatever.
Me not think I'm breed for Bob. Me hear other source. Me hear from a real good source, say, I know she breed for Bob, she do one and two things with Bob. So Bob no take her for you that now and make she keep her in you. But here why long I shot this now? Me gonna be real to you and honest, you know. Saying, when they are foreign, things don't really work out and one little badness go on and me have to just cut. I'm there now. You understand me I say? But me I say me there now and I'm gonna link up Bob to talk about what really I go and Bob a show badness and bad face. So big man thing, me don't want you feel like me no worse. Me not tell you say me I gonna do Bob something about. Real things I said right now like me have to go do him something. You understand me I say? But if me do him something I hear some there jail again, nobody feel like say boy, you know, your father's a win. But that me I tell you. Because I say sometimes I stay from around a place because it means I know you have it too, you know. You have that mad mentality where you flip and you hear me, you do certain things. Someone you control yourself and know say boy, respect your mama even though. You understand me I say even though she stays so respect your mama. Because even though she couldn't run where she did it. I don't know if she can man at the house. She can man at the house? You see no man come at the house?
I don't see that.
Well, at least she don't carry make you see it when she carry. But you hear me I say. But there now, I don't know how to go on for the next 2-3 days. But big up yourself. See? You can't want to look food for you. If a woman and give her money, me have to go start give her money straight and plain. So what go on here, brother? So you attempt them never oh. And I give you a card instead. See? So a card now you can just draw the maximum you have to draw for that in a month at 150. So you go over your maximum, you're gonna know what go on and realize say he's a greedy dog just like your mother. You understand me? I say, you know what I have the concept about you, sir. So as I say, the day for a while, you have the card, you have to appreciate me that certain way. You have a girlfriend?
That's the same.
Eh? You use boats? You know them boats? Eh? You laugh. A real thing, you know. Big up yourself, you hear me? Now the road. Go on back to your yard, because I don't know if your mother knows you. Your mother knows you, don't you?
Me I tell you similar food.
Go on to your yard and thing. Now I'll show you still, you know. I'm going to keep you posted. Yes, sir. So I'm there and I give you now, see? Go on, man. Take time to try down. We shall gather.
Alright.
You have a number and me have face, sir. I've got do Bob sitting, you know. Bob are going like my boy, you know me, you know. So I'm not going to yo, Bob don't know what I'm doing a star. Bob know what I do. Bob never check right now, make him know some. See my tool like Bob. Yeah, my tool there.
Yeah. Something I'm my son grandmother I'm gonna check, you know. See? I'm my son grandmother I'm gonna check, so yo, my son call it back. See? What going?
You know, oh, how are you there? I'm right here, so I hear your voice and know, say they come.
So it's not a matter of seeing my voice I come. You know anything already. What going, everything good? What's the yesterday now? We're not good grace, man. We have some more good grace on us whenever you look at things look so. Yeah, we can't take the advice still, but the advice like confidence to make some go on and over.
This serious, when I call you, I talk to you about serious. Me not understand how you so happy. Oh, you so happy. And dirty butterfoot baba. They hope I fear y'all.
Yo, mama, me never dip on the vibes every today, you know, man. Me a try ease up my brain and fight every time me a try ease up my brain. Somebody a try jump back in. You know what I'm to me yesterday? What if you know more? What really go on yesterday? See? Since you want to know, since I feel like saying, me not supposed to smile right now. Me go link up Bob, you know? Go link up Bob and Bob a come go on like him a bad man. And me ask himself, say, yo, look what me now. You know, do back certain things again and, you know, go back certain places and Bob want to jam me out, you know. And I say, man, just take care of my you know. That me a
Wait. Tap it.
do mean tappy.
Stop right there, so. Me not even that want to say stop. Stop too much. You sound too decent. Tappy. What you mean, go and take care of your son? If you was taking care of your son in that farm, me not say you never do nothing to your son. But if you when they put out all the effort you're supposed to put out as a father to a child, you and my daughter ain't in a conflict all the while, you know.
Not the truth.
Anyway,
She not tell the truth about me, you know. That me a talk about, you know. Me get my money per quarterly. See me, cause you know, say a music thing me run. Me send her money. Every time I say, alright, imagine me sending 200,000. You tell me say in a 4 months 200,000 burn up. What you do so?
me no say no give it to her.
So what problem?
But me can't prove it.
Leave out of my house and me give her and me left her in my place. What you talk about? When me say get proof, the place you go and visit her and see her every day I live. Over place thing be. Think of your place. Hold on. I'm my sweat and blood and tears. Feel that, you know.
Me no.
So yo, talk straight. Yeah.
No,
I be a dean talk.
Nobody get too ignorant.
But I mean get ignorant already.
Me no want you feel say me no believe say you give her that amount of money, but I cannot prove it. I was not there when you give it to her. But
How you believe? She and me, you know you alright, even though you are your daughter. You know she stay, mama. Yeah, I like that, you know. That's why yeah, she couldn't do, you know. Remember, say, when you catch up with time, you have to say to me, say, son, me glad say you're part of my family. Because you can't trust she. Remember, you tell me that woman, remember that?
Yeah.
So we are going like you don't know what going on.
That was then, this is now. It was no one time son-in-law, but he's not my son-in-law again. He look like a Bob want take over. And me don't like Bob for a long time. Bob a whole criminal and thief, a general. As somebody Bob they look for use. So me no know the devil send Bob in my daughter life. Anyway, cut long story short. Me know you always travel and go overseas, you know. And a good while me no see you. But Sierra no, I was investigating about you.
One moment.
The period of time when me no see you, me wonder if you're there yard or you gone abroad. I me hear say you gone, but me I use me head pan me daughter this morning. And they ask him where you there. If you hear how she behave, she have no manner. Nothing good about her.
We can't loud speaker.
Oi, make me talk about me daughter. You know about that nothing bad about me daughter, because you're going like you're innocent. Me no business about seeing her private life. Me just a talk about you, you know. You is a deportee.
You mean the poor, we are talking, who tell you that?
Me hear say you go back a foreign the last time, yeah. And you they over there, they go on with yourself, final foreign woman. And who tell you if you put your hand on the people them picnics?
Who's people them who tell you, I don't need that.
All when a big woman is somebody's child. Left that we don't know Jamaican.
You see, it's just too much, and that's I mean, realize you're so serious. Hey,
Hello.
I mean, you can't judge me, that me I talk about, you know. Eh? Me no want to sit in this where somebody will throw a bleach for you, and you set and raise up your hand. I'm going to raise up your hand, son, and hand lick up the ear of the bleach, and the bleach draw in the eye. What? Am I father? Am I father? You man get so the bleach reach in the ear, and he can't police for me, I say, I meet you bleach for them. But I put things the camera in there. That's them.
Here we are, babe. We can just imagine say a lie you they tell. Because the woman them overseas take you up and take up a matter of fact uno from over here. Care no go over there because no frightened. You gone over.
No, me, he's a hustler. A farm work, me deal with and make my dollar. And she see me and make my dollar, and she said she want to carry me go foreign. Me experience the big old road, the man all these thick old.
And that's why God, me hear from your friend. Which a woman no want with money. Who no want go work for herself. Who no want woman take no prior and carry no go over there. And when woman start taking no son foot cloth, no go on like I say. Who they live no big life over there and they call no friend and no family them out here. They tell them how to live big life. Who is alive.
Tell me this. So if we want a woman with money, what am I going to do with the daughter? Would have nothing. What beg and all them sit there.
No, hey, stop.
Your daughter what beg.
At Jamaica you there. So when I you did no session or no more.
So if we want a woman with money and me there Jamaica, me would have went there with somebody else.
That's what so.
Look man,
It
he bring her. You see,
no, Mr. Please. No. It reach you no. Your meter, the two of you never have nothing. And the two of you start life. How long you know they together? And imagine you're this your daughter. Who this your daughter? You disrespect my daughter and gone with woman and foreign. You get deep, you is a deportee. You get deep and you come down and walk and spread in the area. Oh, you're there foreign and you're soon gone back. You is a liar. You is a liar because not even immigration don't want to see your face again. Me here say they when you have you down at the place where they call detention and have you down there all long. They question you because you beat off your woman overseas. They think you get to go back over there. Go along about your business. You know, see where they stamp in on your passport. You're not going back over there. They might then take away green card and yes, everything gone for you is a liar. Who no disrespect them and go there with foreign woman. Then they have over there as foot clot. Then you know, I call no friend and family over there, big up on yourself. We don't know poor and boss yourself like you know they live no luxury life.
You don't know what you're saying.
You may say you went turn out and sell back jail. As bad as my daughter is, it better you did stay out here and sell back juice with her and it won't come together.
She want nobody. She want to be a street. She want she's like a rolling mass gathering. Hey, you hear me? Rolling stone gathering now.
He's a gigolo.
He's a gigolo.
Yes. You breed my daughter and give her a son.
That's why when meet you and meet your daughter, and your son scared out here, look at you and lie down seat in a reach. I'm going to tell you no. You on that.
Then if you're my son-in-law, you know must can treat me. And I look me they look you. Me is your son, Granny.
Are you blessing? What kind of lifestyle that?
Look here. Hello. Jigalo.
Still, you know, maybe not take me for a dog.
I lie they tell you he's a worthless boy. You not see you go up on the beach and the worst woman you find. Worthless, and that's why you left me daughter. See where reach there. You is a deportee. And you come back and big up yourself. But you are foreign and live big life. When a sufferation life you they live, you come down here the most you worthless like.
Forgive me, let me go.
You see, that is always the problem with you. It's just like a bank, an ATM machine. You push in a card and the money come out. You not even want a receipt. Eh?
We're not supposed to have no communication. You just give me your money, let me go about my business, and that's it.
We're not supposed to have no communication. So how that possible now?
Me if you just come here and say you give me money and say go on about your business. We not fit talk about nothing at all. Just give me go on. That's it.
You're right. But me gonna tell you this now. Me gonna flip the script now and make you understand. So me no need to have no more money business with you. Me gonna deal with the money to my son. See?
Okay.
Me give him a card and him go now have the money for deal what he want to do. Because am I taking care of you?
No.
Am I living with you?
No.
Or are we together?
No.
So we no need to have no communication. You married to me?
No.
Alright, and all these things, and let the court say amen. What one if you go on now is just you if you know say just don't disrespect my son because the money get taken away from you. That me I tell you.
I don't want to disrespect my son, even though he might disrespect me in your house.
And talking about house, me think a time for you come out of that place.
You can't tell me that.
So
matter of fact, nobody good as so.
So what gonna happen then? What gonna be the situation? What gonna be the case? Eh?
Oh. So when we move out, who go live there with my son to take care of my son?
You know worry about him. Me can get a lot of replacements for come in and come take care of him if I solve the case.
Nobody not take care of my son until him reach of age.
What mean say go there and go on your own so you can't come out of the house? What you talking about? You can't come out of my house? No. So alright. Let's go to the next topic. Why and Bob situation are getting in my house? You make my son uncomfortable with the whole Bob situation. As a mama,
listen to me.
Or you have to make your son feel a way if you know say boy, are you the cause why everything mash up? Eh?
Why am me a cause? So you never have even woman out of
obviously me never do that. Not because you talk to a woman, you put on a chair for your woman, you feel say your woman there. That you judge me from? Eh?
You're a gigolo.
Me is a gigolo?
And you know that.
And that you really call me?
Stop going like.
Me a call gigolo, that you call me? Out of all the things that gigolo you call me?
Different you come a friend, me realize you make your whole Bob situation come up, you know. You dey walk around and tell everybody, oh, me and Bob this and me and Bob that, and Bob come up on me yard. You ever see Bob come up on me yard?
No. Hear me,
you Bob. Ever see Bob?
Right,
Bob
so
never come up on me yard. Listen, let me talk. And don't talk when me I talk.
What this?
Bob never come up on me yard. You turn dog.
Are you right there, go back? One back now?
All somebody come over me yard for me is Bob daughter. Me take care of Bob daughter. Right? Me babysitter, Bob have to pay me for babysitting people.
Alright, me ask you one question. You and Bob in things? You and Bob in do this? You and Bob in do this? Me say if you're liar.
One time, back
Lord
then.
have mercy. And you're going to talk to me about Bob. Listen to me. All ties are cut. Just know that. See? So what you need to do
cut for a long time and I like say.
Me and you not there. Right? Me and you there?
No.
Me and you, we married?
When you ask me them question again, you ask me already. Me no want you
because
ask me again.
confirm
me
it. So
answer you already. Me
we
no
have
need to answer
no
you
ties.
again.
And you need to come out of my house.
And
by
you
the
can't
latest.
tell me that.
Eh?
I'm not going nowhere.
You're not going nowhere?
I'm not going
nowhere.
nowhere.
Put it?
Yes, that's what I put it.
So
carry liar, carry police, carry anybody you want to carry. Come in now, come out.
Alright, if I just you want to put it, ma'am, yeah, you want to go a war. But I'm not going to war with you still. I left it to time and God. You know what I mean? Because that's my thing there. I make that everybody see say, I know me a problem, I a problem. You understand me? I say,
and so you are a problem for
so
no,
when them see
no.
Don't you dare do that again.
When I realize when you come from a friend, you not change your pants, so you can't talk to me. That me I tell you.
How dare you?
From you come from friend, you still walk with the same bag by your back, and you still walk
You
in
don't
the
worry
same
about my
slippers.
things and my
You
attire.
still walk in the same time, so you
Yes.
can't chat to me.
Yes.
You not change your
But I
clothes,
see him
so
all dirty money.
you can't deal with me.
You don't worry about that. One more if you understand is this. Me call you down here to make you know say me not have no more money business with you. Just consider yourself out of the money line. See?
Okay.
So you have to go find where you find. Where you say you are take care of baby, you're babysitter for Bob. Go and make a babysitter money take care of you. Me go tell my son to make sure not even food for buying a place there for you. Do what I do, control himself, and that's it. Have a good time.
Let me say something to you.
Say something to me, Power.
Me want good mother, you know.
Good mother when?
So
When?
you go tell my
When you a
son
good mother?
fill up.
Hold on. You want to tell me say you're a good mother? Eh? That you want to tell me? What kind of good mother? Your son respect you?
Not because
Your son respect you?
Not because.
Alright, how much other people have a respect you since you're a good mother? You classify yourself as a good mother, but yet your mothership is not in the place where you're supposed to be. Eh? You don't understand what you say.
You know, no, your fathership in a place where it's supposed to be.
No, listen. You don't worry about that. You don't worry about that.
I don't know what me did.
Just make sure so you take your time and come out of my house.
I mean, now come out, carry police or anybody who want carry come. I mean, now that me I tell you.
Respect it up. As usual. You know what I mean? Yo, say for nothing, you know, we can shout it whenever we need one little help again, don't you?
You realize that all now me not say nothing to you. Come just watch and see if you really are left and you know give me back the money to buy back some gas. I've almost $10,000 worth of gas to put in a car, you know. And carry go somewhere, bro, and it's like every time you do the same thing, me pick you up from the airport and you say this, that, I'm not say nothing, make it slide. I know you ask me to carry go a farm, brother. And come back and I see him thing.
Yo, me tell you this. Yo, basically you understand. Me tell you, you want to sell the bus and you give me back my money and you take for your shirt and money. That you want? What you want? Because I don't understand why is it now me now ask you to do me a favor and it's a problem. Remember say money me spend on buy the bus, you know. Why you can't spend money on me for go a farm? It's a problem, sir. You make certain things look away. May you have virgin or we no virgin. And some virgin help each other, bro. If you're talking about something like me, a big problem, bro. Me I tell you, you have to go sell it or I'm a free one stone night or something and mash and show. I'm serious. And that me I tell you. You decide what you are doing.
Yo, bro, you remember say you give me money for buy bus. I don't compare that thing. You give me a money and say, yo, you have a portion. Buy bus, man. I mean, I'm not charge me. I'm not charge. You realize I'm not charge me. I charge you. And I just a little gas me. I beg you back to put in my bus. And the water on you know. And when you give me money for buy a bus. I know compare that business behind me money and you make up it. And say, yo, buy a bus. Go
ungrateful. Very ungrateful.
Yo, you know see drive back in this.
Yo, come on, guys. Yo, drive over place. Ah, boy.
Yo, yeah, so I'm going. That's it, man. Life go on people step on thing, you know. But good as man.
Good as no problem. Because me I said to myself, sir, it's like at the end of the day, me can't force a woman to love me. And if she love you a certain way, me have to just respect it. And if you did a certain way, I guess you're gonna be a stepfather. Not true?
Yeah, man, you have to understand, man. I'm glad to say you understand. So we not feeling no more argument. So
Yeah,
and it sound like you understand from the phone call.
exactly. Come when you feel like me, I go run a thing.
Yeah, man.
So we have to make a signature, you know, to end certain things on a proper note. You know what I mean? But as I say, but you better me give the key for the house too. So just in case you understand, say, me free up on certain things. Me not really
yeah, man.
I put myself on
Yeah,
certain
man, you can't give me title for your house and thing. Just give me everything for your house.
title.
Mm-hmm.
Every title for you, man.
Yeah, man.
So what I want to know is, you remember when you tell me say, last time I come on your place and you tell me say, you call 2 versions for me.
Yeah, man.
But what make you
But
say?
you have to worry yourself about that, brother. Everything squash between me and you know.
And everything.
Yeah, man, you understand.
But you know, see, when kind of put me on one level though where me feel like say me happy. Jesus Christ! Tired. Yeah, man. Remember, I tell you, say, I have to clean up one situation that happened that day. Yeah, it happened. Firewood.
Hello.
Yeah,
Pinky, where you want?
girl, Mr. Then just kill Bob.
What?
Then just kill Bob. You know here?
No. Okay, Babu.
Yeah, where you come from about Bob. Oh, so so. Yeah, I'm about to your business. You come who kill Bob.
You just come here, give me one news. Me no must ask question.
At that time, when Jamaican people get mashed up in a life, I want to go to the bunker and that. How many know who killed him? Me didn't know who killed him in that. Anyways, when we after him, you don't know nothing about what's going on with him.
No, me no know nothing about what go on. Me no know if him, me no know nothing. No.
Yeah, you're sure.
Yes.
So you don't know if him and nobody ever in a nothing at all?
No, me no know if him and nobody in a no conflict or no.
What? They kill him. I love me. Them doing some stuff.
So when that happened,
Some things. Just a while ago, girl, and doing some things. So something I can't unfold my eyes them.
so you see what go on?
Girl, I don't know. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, me there, man.
Remember you're there, you sound like you lost. You're gone. Now what's up?
No, because me can't believe say
Hello?
the real me shock me can't even ball.
Oh, God. Anyways, one take it easy because I did a man. Just trying to tell you.
I never me man on top say that. When that day by the way?
In that, I don't know what with that saying about. If I can't go take the daughter, you take the daughter. Because you're not babysitter.
No, me fi take it that and here cause problem in my house. Yeah, idiot and the man a run me out of the house already. I'm fi go text. Yeah, idiot.
No. I don't know what to tell us there.
If me can go look for a little girl, me go look for her and bring things here, but me can't take her.
Well, if I want to do that, I'm not for them phone him up.
But me no know if him in a no gang or nothing like that. Me no know. So then just kill him so that not safe.
Me no know how they kill him. So you just step on him so like awa me didn't know I go on like say I never your one time man. So you go on. Like I never your man, you never give me kill.
I don't think you can't me fi tell me saying dead or you can't me fi tell me say me I
But
never
we
did
can't
it.
tell us that the man did that you combo. But that not safe.
So what you did want me fi say? What you did want me fi laugh over a whole situation?
Never why you feel like you come like your police, no, you're some big investigator with me for your phone. You know, you go thinking in your mind and thinking in your head.
Sometimes when you chat too much, you come like your cousin. Come off from my phone.
Why?
And you feel go away. I lie you tell. Bob, I must throw them on me. Come on, mother. Mommy, where are they? I can come over here and want somebody to talk to, please. Mommy, not in that the mood right now. Just come now. You can be serious for once. Hurry up. Yeah.
Abal. One to you. Narik. What do you?
They're unalive, Bob.
Marika, come right here, so nobody drop down. Nobody drop down. Come right here. Come, lean up, nobody drop down. Where you just say, come in here so good.
They're unalive, Bob. I don't know who do it. I don't know when that's today. I don't know what work one. Bob. I can't live.
Marika, you can hear yourself? What you mean when you say they unalive, Bob? And you don't get the waste of your water. After water gone up a semi yard how long? About 2 weeks now. Me I feel they struggle down the road for water. And you hope you the waste water. You could have carried come full me jug. What a way you have eye water to waste. You know you say crying is a language when you gotta understand it. Why you don't understand say them unalive somebody with a little eye water where you have before you serious when you
Me and Bob they close. We are close friends. Never feel if we can't listen and do this to Bob. Somebody close. Me and Bob be very close.
Your name did very close. Me know so no close. Close. Like a clothespin. And you're a ball. You're an idiot. So then unalive the idiot. And you up here, waste your time. Till you look like you want a week out. You want to go to hospital? Eh? You want me to bring you over hospital?
Oh God, why
you
they
never
kill an innocent man?
Eh? Then do what? Then unalive one innocent man? Oh my, I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry for hear about what happened. But, you know say it's an idiot? Because you up your ball for one food. Anyway, my daughter, stop the crying. You waste your time and your energy. You already gone and you can't come back. You sure saying unalive though?
Yes, me get it calm. Me get it from my friend Pinky. And Pinky very mixed up and know people business.
So, you know see the body? And you believe?
Me have to believe that Pinky not tell no lie.
But this I love you where you got for that the friend there. He's strong man. He's stronger than for me, where your mother, and he's stronger than for your son, where is my grandchild. Me never see you cry for me yet. What a good daughter you be.
Why would I cry for you if they're not dead?
Okay. So true for me body. They are seeing we are me not dead. Oh, you can't cry for me. Look how much things me go through if you bring you come here so. Eh? All of those pain.
Mommy, me cry when I come at my graduation.
All of those sorrows and mistake that I make with your dirty father. Eh? When me sit down around a corner and they pray and they ask God to help me to make my life
come good. And you over here now because you have my situation worse.
I may have to take all of my money spent by you. You wasn't crying for me as a mother. But now you're the cry for dirty foot Bob. When they go? How far you think them a go put Bob? You can't look for him to you know, he's just 6'6". But guess what?
But me now go see me in person.
Why you cry for Bob? That me come to ask you, no. Because
me and Baba friends, so if me cry for
and that
my
me I
friend,
go
you
say.
don't cry for your friend.
And that me I go say because you tell me say your friend and me no say you can't cry for your friend or bawl or holler or walla for your friend. But you, they holler for Bob like something in a something where you never want me to know. But guess what? Everything when a secret must come out in the light. Just like when in the dark, the same thing come out in the light. And you went to hide it from me a long time yesterday, you and Bob there together. Like birds of a feather, who no flock together. You're lucky you never did it. When they analyze Bob, you're there, so they boss say, look here, let me tell you something. You see, if you don't have anything constructive to call me and talk to me about as your mother, do not call me. And if I know my grandson, you they call me about, do not call me. Me sorry for hear anyway. You hear? Me sorry for hear. And me sorry for hear about your friend Bob.
Don't touch me, can you make situation worse?
I'm sorry, me sorry for you.
Come
let me give you a hug.
Come yard, me no want to.
Every God Almighty time me come in your yard, you disrespect me, you shame me, you run away. Me want me go home tonight.
Me want to buy myself. Come, go on.
Father God, me never know say me bring one psycho come for the earth. And my daughter, she call me. Me come down here to support her. Make she can lean on my shoulder. You hear? She run me. She will call me again. Me now come back. You see tonight, Father God, me want you tell me when she call me again. If she call me again, if he come back, I ain't coming back. You go have to hold me hand and bring me come. Cause me alone and come. And then me insult you. Me come down here fast.
Me go on now.
Me go give you a hug still. Cause me sorry about everything. Bob. What you the ball like I say you're mad dead or your picnic. Look on you. See there. See there now. You're in a pain up here. So if you stay with you and help you cry, it will never happen in Jesus' name. Anyway, I love you hear me daughter. I'm sorry to hear about what happened. Alright. Me gonna see there. You prefer the dead more than the living. Y'all push me out. So right now if you see Bob again, you're taking me in. Anyway, me love you. You hear have a go lock the door for you. Go on in.
Yeah, go on later.
Bye-bye. Love you, my daughter. Stop me crying. Drink little water. Jimbo. Here. Jimbo, wait there. I left him to sleep. Jimbo. No man, he can't sleep so dead. A junkie junk. I mean, no in love road, you know, I love party and go like in your money. With him broke self. Jimbo! No man look like me, I have to go call him. Suppose the place did abandon down. Or he may be gone and road with him dirty foot friend them. Wait there. Ah, Jesus. Wrong number. Me go and call somebody here. Let me see it. Alright. You don't save your name in my phone because I don't like it, you know. See if your phone they ring from inside. Me backside. Jimbo. How are you there? You want to tell me say you in the house asleep and me they call you my youth and you not answer what? What me want to know what me you in? What happened? Me can't come call you. Oh, you're not in there? Me backside. Kill me then you're in there because me know you extra. And show off and when people call you act like you don't hear when you hear. I know your style them there for a long time. Hold on them, I'm tired. So Jimbo, You know hear the news? You know hear where I go on? Me say they unalive. Eh? Well, look what you're going to talk about. Oh, you're big and fool and dumb. Listen what me I say. That's something important me they tell you. Somebody life. You going to chat about dance and party and one if sing thing. You idiot? Listen me. Me hear say they unalive Baba. From yesterday. So how you not hear that? A matter of fact, he big in the street right now. So you and him did have sit one time. Them I say maybe they not sure. Maybe you and him must catch up back again. Maybe they not sure, but you know how man and man can in things all much years after. Then go back again and sit and then say I just yesterday that man when they look. They hear saying analyze. But what happened? You and him did in a sitting? You know say you take it for joke? You take it for joke. I'm serious. Why you think would I waste my time? Take 3 taxi. 3 different fare me pay. Come on a 3 different fare me have to go pay go back. And come here to come tell a lie. You pay me? No, talking God joke now. Who on earth you hear say they get paid for tell lie? Me sure say no me if you get paid me not get none. If me did not get paid for tell lie, the amount of lie when me tell man. It be more than what John write in the Bible and read about. Eh? You're lucky me sorry for you. No mix me up or me if you know who unalive the boy. Me never did it. I hear me ear and then me see if it a grown pan phone and me see face for you. Me I wonder if in family them hear about it. Jesus, God, what a wickedness. Then Jimbo. Oh God, man, me not say you. But if somebody will do that, the way me hear say, then do Bob. Oh God, if somebody, me not tell a lie. So when the police catch him, then feel lock him up. Anybody will do that. Police will lock him up. If he get 25 years of prison. To wicked man, what the man could have do that? There's somebody they saw. Even though me not tell no lie. Me ain't too like him, you know. Me ain't too like him. Because him and fi me daughter kill me dead. Then they together. But my daughter now own it. So guess what? If she say she and him not there, well, maybe then they. And maybe they not there. Yeah. But I'm not even that. I wonder if my daughter unalive him. Me no know. Me no know who. Me just a think. Me no know who. But God know me not tell no lie. Even if my daughter do such a wickedness, just when the police them hold her, they feel lock her up and me not bail her. Yeah, because she not no manners to me. And she better know. You know me always tell my daughter? Anything where she do wrong all when she a big woman, me don't care. Do not call me name. Tell them say you don't have no mother. Your mother dead, your granny grow with and your granny don't have no phone. Yeah. So make them lock you up and do the time. See what me tell her? What you mean if my daughter me tell that? Me not understand you. So when I'm the big woman like a Marika, chew me her mother when she put herself in a problem, me must go. Look here, you know what me sorry say me come here yard. Me going come to come tell her say they unalive Baba and anybody do it, them is a wicked and police will lock them up and then go in a jail and don't come up. But me I left from your gate right now. Right now, listen to grill, hear ya. You must. How me go in your house? The door open? Come make your idiot, you know what? Later. Yes, I mean, I go, not even should have touch your gate because I don't have no fingerprint there, Bonnie.
Marika! Oh,
Y'all, you know you are going.
How go on?
Hey, they lock up Jimbo.
They lock up Jimbo? For what?
Girl, I must see him kill Bob.
What? So Billy said him kill Bob for true?
No, girl, I'm mad. What kind of question that you ask me?
No, me just
My cousin kill no man, he can't even kill fly
I
good.
swear for nobody nowadays, but me not say him do it.
Girl, me say, my cousin can't even kill a fly.
Me not
Up to the
understand.
little walking answer me afraid of. So my cousin kill no man. No,
Him afraid I wish look walking ants.
girl, I be a more my cousin have. My cousin do them there something there.
Anyway, me can't manage no more sadness. Cause last night Bob dead, today him lock up. Me just can't manage what go on right now. Too much.
Follow me go down to jail go look for him.
Huh? Go away.
Follow me go down to jail go look for Jimbo.
No, so me have some dirty clothes on the back first. I can't go down this side.
Hey, you see you look dirty girl, I see you. You see you when me call her last night and tell her news about Bob did you hear how you go on? So what kill him? What kill him? So okay, your friend if he dead.
No, true Bob dead, me have to feel
No,
me
you
have to feel that, but a jail ain't gone for something when do.
Something when what?
Somebody they not go just lock him up so nobody not accuse him.
Wait just set your mouth. You got jail for something when do.
Probably do it for true, you can't say
You
for
see, uno
nobody.
look dirty Jamaican
Because
people.
when he come from finding they call up him and name or something so
You see, uno look dirty Jamaican people. No worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. You don't want to follow me go to jail.
Listen. The last time me see me say don't want to see me back. So why me I go to jail go look for him?
A jail
and
in
him a
there.
run me out time place. So why me go look for
Oh,
him?
so about my friend for. About my friend for.
Bob, but
Good on I dead house. Good on I dead house because down side of him. It's alright. Everything good. Just know say. My cousin never kill him. I no can't turn a life on my cousin. I mean you no chat say one more time so my cousin kill man. Watch me how no.
Go on by your business. Good as I'll do it for true. To subscribe is free. To subscribe, yes.
They say I won't make it if they can't get full control. They say I won't make it if I don't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you. Jah is in control. Yes, I've got news for you. Jah run my soul. Yeah. They said I wouldn't make it 'cause I love my own lifestyle. Oh no, I couldn't fake it. I'm too real and that's my style. Can't fit in, I will stand up. Now drop no standard just for please ya. Soon you are go hear the youth from south so high. They said I wouldn't make it, trying to put me under mind control. They said I wouldn't make it if I didn't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you. Jah is in control. Yes, I've got news for you. Jah runs my soul. They said I wouldn't make it 'cause I don't do what they do. They said I wouldn't make it, there's no place for people like you. They said I won't make it, but it's not their choice to choose. I've got news for you. Jah is in control. Yes, I've got news for you. Jah runs my soul. News. Jah is in control.